single day.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tech JRD back again with another video, and this is going to be a quick unboxing. I mean, I already unboxed it, but it's going to be like a quick look unboxing video of the iPhone XS Max. The name is so crazy that you got to say all that, but yeah, so here you go. So I picked this up this morning, did a pre-order, got it at Best Buy. XS Max, Gold Edition. Apple doesn't give you anything in the box, which is typical. Dinky charger, 5-watt, no good. Crappy headphones, crappy lightning cable. Now, let's look at the phone real fast. Get some face unlock action. So I actually do like this phone a lot. The phone is amazing. This is everything that I wanted out of the iPhone 10 last year, which I also had. This phone is like super quick, really nice to look at. I've only been using it for about half a day now because I got it right when the store opened. The phone is really nice. It feels good, grips good, the screen's good. Now, although the screen is good, the screen is not as good as my Note 8 or 9. I got the Note 9, as you can see from the box back there. The screen is not on par with the Note 9, but that wasn't the factor that I was, expecting. Samsung does the best screens on the market. I wasn't expecting it to be better than that. But I mean, Apple is Apple. Apple does what it does best. It does iMessaging the best. It does FaceTime the best. But as far as like a media device, if I had to only pick one phone, I probably would just stick with the Note 9. But I am going to use this iPhone, as my daily driver for the next few weeks and see if it can win over my top spot. Because I'm not a biased person. Like, I've had every single iPhone that has ever came out. I've also had every single Galaxy Note that's came out. I've had hundreds and hundreds of phones. Like, I try out everything. I'm pretty bad. But yeah, so like I said, this phone, and I heard people say that this phone is way more grippy than last year, and I'm like, how do you make a phone more grippy when it's the stainless steel edges, whatever? But I don't know what Apple did, but I definitely don't feel like I'll drop this like I felt about the iPhone 10 last year. So that's a good thing. Like I said, this was just gonna be a quick, little unboxing, talk about a couple points. I'm definitely gonna do a review maybe in a week. I like to use it for at least a week to see what I need to know. A lot of reviewers, like, they say that they need to play with the phone for more than a week to know what they want to know, but that's not true. Like, yes, lag happens over time. iPhones don't lag, so you don't need more than a week to know everything that you need to know, especially from a phone that's basically the same phone as last year, minus the size of this one, which is amazing. I love the size of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave it at that, and we'll do another video later. But that was just a quick unboxing of the Note. Peace.